What's up, y'all? I've spent over $330 million profitably on Meta ads and driven over $1.6 billion in Facebook ads attributable revenue. And I've scaled multiple brands from 4 to 5 figures a month to 7 and 8 figures a month in revenue. And today I'm breaking down the 7 critical strategies for premium CPG and consumable brands that are trying to compete in crowded markets. This isn't theory, these are the exact strategies I shared in a recent client coaching call for a premium CPG brand facing these real challenges. Most premium consumer packaged good brands are making the same critical mistakes. They're positioning themselves as luxury products in non-luxury markets and competing against VC-backed companies who are running at a loss. And they're failing to create compelling offers that actually convert. If you're running a premium consumable brand and struggling to scale profitably with Meta ads, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So here's the premium CPG challenge. Now, before I jump into specific strategies, let me explain the unique challenge premium CPG brands face right now. The biggest issue is that many brands position themselves as luxury products in categories that consumers don't typically view as luxury. Take soap, for example. Most people don't think of soap as a premium product, but when you price it at $20, you're fighting an uphill battle. So you have to really sell why this product is premium or why people should switch over to your product. The second major challenge is competition from venture-backed companies. These competitors can run ads at a loss because they're playing a much longer game. They have investors funding their growth while you're trying to be profitable from day one. I saw this exact situation with a premium CPG olive oil brand competing against Graza, a VC-backed competitor that's already running early Black Friday sales in October and offering aggressive bundles and discounts. The opportunity here is to adapt your strategy to market realities without compromising your premium positioning. The strategies I'm about to share will help you do exactly that. Now let's move on to the 7 DTC strategies for premium CPG brands. Strategy number 1 is acknowledge your market reality. The first and most important strategy is acknowledging the reality of your market position. Many premium brands get stuck in their own vision of what they want to be rather than adapting to market realities. This creates a disconnect between your pricing and what consumers expect to pay. So here's what you need to do. Research your top 3 to 5 competitors thoroughly, analyze their pricing, offers, and marketing strategies, understand how they're positioning themselves, and identify the gap between your vision and market expectations. For example, this olive oil brand discovered their main competitor Graza was running site-wide early Black Friday sales in October, offering various product bundles like duos, trios, and special packaging options. This doesn't mean you need to abandon your premium positioning, but you do need to acknowledge that you're competing in a market where consumers have certain expectation about pricing and offers. Strategy number 2, and this is a big one, you need to create a compelling offer. You have to create an irresistible offer that justifies your premium price point. The biggest mistake premium brands make is assuming that quality alone is enough to justify a higher price. It's not. You need to create an offer that makes consumers feel they're getting exceptional value despite the premium price. Here's how to structure your offer. Consider a significant discount on first purchases from 20 to 40%. And again, this would be a subscription order. Also, think about including a free gift with purchase, ideally a mini version of your product or a sample pack. Also offer free shipping and a happiness guarantee or a risk-free trial. Also create bundles that increase your average order value. For example, I recommended this olive oil brand offer 30 to 40% off plus a free bottle for first-time subscribers. This approach gets your product into more hands, which is crucial for building word-of-mouth marketing. Remember, your product quality needs to speak for itself after that first purchase. If it's truly exceptional, customers will continue subscribing at full price happily. Strategy number 3 is you have to test multiple unique selling propositions to find what resonates most with your audience. Many premium brands get stuck on a single selling point that isn't compelling enough. Instead, you need to test multiple angles to see what actually drives conversion. For example, this olive oil brand was leading with the gold standard of olive oil and emphasizing that their product comes from Spain, but these weren't specific or compelling enough to justify the price premium. Alternative USPs to test could include lab-tested purity with specific metrics and a link out to the test, microplastic-free certification, health benefits backed by studies, exclusive harvesting or production methods, and taste profile comparison with competitors. The key is to test these different USPs systematically in your ads to see which ones drive the best conversion rate. Number 4, focus on customer psychology. It's all about understanding and leveraging the hidden psychological reasons people buy premium products. Most premium brands focus too much on product features and not enough on the psychological benefits customers receive. For premium products, consider these psychological drivers. Number one, status and exclusivity. Be the envy of the neighborhood. Number two, identity reinforcement for people who appreciate the finer things. Number three, expert knowledge. Know what professional chefs know. Number four, health consciousness. Invest in your health with the purest ingredients. Number five, gift-giving potential. Impress your foodie friends. I recommended that this olive oil brand consider positioning their product as something that allows customers to flex their knowledge and taste with friends and family. This appeals to the status-seeking behavior that often drives premium purchases. Review your customer feedback to identify these hidden psychological motivations and then incorporate them into your ad messaging. Strategy 5 is implementing a subscription model with strong incentives for recurring purchases. Subscription revenue is the lifeblood of consumable brands, and it provides predictable cash flow and reduces customer acquisition costs over time. Here's how to optimize your subscription offering. Number one, offer a significant discount on the first order as long as they subscribe, typically 20 to 40%. Also, I recommend even including a free gift with the first subscription. Something small that doesn't cost a lot. Make subscription management easy and flexible, and provide exclusive benefits for subscribers, early access to new products and access to special products. Also, consider a loyalty program for long-term subscribers. Look at successful brands like Instant Hydration, which offers 40% off plus a free gift for subscribers. This creates an irresistible entry point that gets customers to try the product. This olive oil brand I'm talking about, I personally bought their olive oil and it was excellent, but I actually forgot to reorder. If I had been on a subscription, I would have continued receiving and using your product because it was that good. This is the power of subscription models for consumable products. Strategy 6 is leveraging social proof in a way that actually builds credibility. Many premium brands either don't use social proof effectively or use it in ways that look inauthentic. This is a critical mistake when you're asking customers to pay premium prices. Here's how to use social proof effectively. Implement a proper review app that shows verified purchases, feature real customer photos with products, highlight specific detailed reviews that address quality concerns or objections handle, and showcase any media mentions or expert endorsements. Also, use customer testimonials in your ad creative. For example, I noticed that one brand's review section looked manually created rather than using a trusted review platform. This immediately reduces credibility. Instead, use established review platforms that consumers recognize and trust. The goal is to remove the perception of risk associated with trying a new premium product. Effective social proof does this better than almost anything else. The final strategy is creating a network effect through strategic gifting opportunities. This is particularly powerful for premium consumable products because they're perfect for sharing and gifting. Here's how to implement this strategy. 1. Include small gift-sized versions with purchases. Number 2. Create gift-specific packaging options and offer bundle deals that encourage gifting. Buy one for yourself, get one half off for a gift. Develop special occasion campaigns, holidays, or host gifts, and follow up with gift recipients to convert them to real customers. This strategy creates a natural word-of-mouth marketing effect. When someone receives your product as a gift, they're experiencing it without the barrier of the premium price point. And if they love it, they're more likely to become customers themselves. I suggested this olive oil brand include free mini bottles with purchases specifically for gifting to friends. This creates a network effect where each customer potentially introduces multiple new customers to the brand. Now that you understand the 7 strategies, let me give you a framework for implementing. Step 1, audit your current positioning. Review your website, offers, and marketing messages against your top competitors. Identify gaps and opportunities for differentiation. Step 2, develop multiple USP tests. Create 3 to 5 different unique selling propositions based on your product's genuine advantages. And develop ad creative for each USP to test which resonates the most. Step 3, restructure your offer. Redesign your offer structure to include first-time purchase incentives, subscription benefits, and gifting opportunities. Step 4, enhance your social proof. Implement a trusted review platform and actively solicit detailed reviews from customers and feature these prominently on your product pages and on your homepage. Step 5, test and iterate. Run systematic tests of your new USPs, offers, and messaging, and use the data to refine your approach continuously. This framework ensures you're addressing all the key challenges premium CPG brands face while also maintaining your premium positioning. Implementing these strategies will help you compete effectively even against VC-backed competitors while maintaining your premium positioning. If you found found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced meta ads and marketing strategies. Now, if you're running a premium CPG brand and want personalized guidance on implementing these strategies, I can help you through my coaching program, Meta Ads at Scale. I work with brands to develop and execute these exact strategies and have helped 50 plus e-com brands double their revenue in 6 months or less. Click the link in the description to learn more and apply for the program. And I personally guarantee results, or I'll work with you for free past the 6 months until we get you to your goal. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.